Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to present a tutorial about the training of the machine of custom vision for the counterfeit medicine. This is a technology provided by Microsoft Azure. So we're going to start. This is the dashboard of the custom vision. We're going to start basically by adding images. We go to the tab of training images, and we select add images. Here we already have a set of fake and real. The real pictures are the ones going to be preset as real medicines determined by the WHO or the pharmaceutical. We're going to select different images, and we're going to put the tag either if it's real or counterfeit. In this case is real, and we're going to upload one file. This file was already uploaded. We already had it in the dataset, so we're going to leave it like that. And we're going to keep adding images, either real or fake. The fake images, they were also presetted because they don't comply with the color or with the shape of the original one, of the real one. For example, we have this one. We put the tag for counterfeit because we want the system to detect it as fake, as falsified. And we're going to upload it too. This one is already in the system, so we're going to keep going. At the end, we're going to have the data set of all the real and fake medicines. We have different shapes and different colors. The idea also is to have a balanced number of pictures, to have 40 real and 40 counterfeit. This way, the system can predict it more efficiently. Now we're going to check the performance. For the performance, we have done already different iterations in the systems. We have done quick and advanced. For this case, we're going to pick the iteration number 7. This is an advanced training that we did, and we can see how the precision, the recall, and the performance, it's 100%, which is pretty good for our case. We have the classification tab of a multi-class with a single tag per image. We're going to show you now how to train. Now that we already uploaded the pictures, we have two options, either quick training or advanced training. In this case, we did quick and advanced. We're going to go for advanced. You can select the timing that you want to do. It is recommended the more timing you do, the better the training is going to be. We're going to select 1 hour. We're going to set the notifications, and we're going to hit train. And in this case, we're going to use the last one that we did, iteration number 7. Iteration number 7, which has very good performance, or the iteration 8. We can use both. And now we're going to do the quick test. We go to the tab for the quick test. And here we have all the iterations that we have done. We're going to select 8 or 7. We're going to select 7 in this case. And we're going to go to Browse Local Files. And then Browse Local Files, we already have some test images which are not in the system. And we're going to select, for example, this first, which is a white pill. And we can see how it shows the probability of 90.9% of real. We're going to try with another one, as this one, which has more elements, and it's real 100%. So we can say the system is well trained. But now let's try with fake pictures. We're going to go fake. We're going to go to the test, and we're going to try this one. And we can see how still we have fake, 99.9%, which is a good percentage, of course. We have these blue pills because the idea is to identify pictures that don't comply either with the shape or with the color. So we have 90.1%, which is lower but still a good number. We want to have probabilities the highest as possible from 95% or up. Now we're going to have, for example, these pictures, which is more tricky for the system because we have the packages and we have different colors, but we can see how it still does a good prediction. Now we can go to predictions, and in predictions we're gonna select the 7th iteration that we did, and we can see here all the predictions that the system has made. We have 100%, real 0% for the fake ones, and we have for the real ones 90.9%. This means that the system does a pretty good job with the predictions. It is recommended to upload, we can use the data set from WHI and from the pharmaceuticals to upload more pictures with different shapes and colors, so the system can learn to recognize between falsified and real predictions. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you have a good day.